Well, the day has arrived, and we're taking a look at Necromunda Ash Wastes. And man, I've been looking forward to this set since they talked about it in Adepticon, and they've been giving us teasers, and holy moly, the bugs, the nomads. I've just been so looking forward to this whole box set. And this big old box that should be going up for pre-order today, holy moly, like, my gosh. It is thick. If you picked up the Dark Uprising box set, it is of a similar girth. And this thing is heavy. You could literally drop this and, man, you would catapult somebody into the air. I mean, like, I'm picturing all sorts of Looney Tunes type things. But anyway, Ash Waste, let's focus. Excited. I'm excited. And man, I've been like, oh, and like, this is, I love Necromunda. Necromunda will always have a special place in my heart. And you know, it's just so much fun, and it's, you know, like, I love Warhammer 40,000, and it's interesting with the whole gang warfare thing, and now we're bringing it outdoors, and we got nomads, we got their habitat, we got the bikes, we got the bugs. Like, what's not to love? This is science fiction at its best, in my opinion, with just all this craziness. And yeah, I mean, you know, I'm wasting time here, aren't I? Let's just dive into the unboxing here. So, big old box, and let's have a look at the back side of the box. The sides of the box are just gigantic. I think we've seen a lot of images of what goes into this box, but yeah. So, really quick, this box contains a 176-page rulebook, 2 reference sheets, set of plastic ash waste terrain, set of plastic barricades, tokens, and fold-out gaming mat, deck of 89 game cards, range ruler and templates, 16 Necromunda dice, 26 Citadel miniatures, plastic miniatures. That contains House Orlok. It is 2 road captains / sergeants, 8 gunners, and 2 outrider quads. The Ash Waste Nomads, 2 Nomad Chieftain Watchers, 8 Nomad Warriors, and 4 Dustback Hellamite Riders. Hellamites? That's these big bug duders. And in the back of the box, they give you pretty much an accurate depiction of, like, the size, because it says it's 100% the size. So that's about as big as they are. And I approve. I like it. Any bigger, and it's kind of crazy, and we're getting into 40K and blah, 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 right? But yeah, love the addition of the orange templates again. And of course, with the extra dice, I'm sure as of release date that we've had plenty of sneak peeks into this box set. And so this is basically my reactions to opening this box. Now, if you didn't pick up Dark Uprising, that thing was chock full of minis. This, I have high expectations of. So I grab out my trusty rusty blade, dull, of course, and let's peel off the wrapping, the cellophane, as it were. Cellophane? Do people still call it cellophane? I don't even know. I guess I'm probably showing my age here, right? Oh man, this box is huge. Like, I'm probably gonna throw out my back trying to move this whole box just so it fits in the camera. If you hear me howl, that's because I threw out my back. No joke. So, let's dive in. Let's have a peek. If I can get things to sit properly. Oh man. Big old box. Come on. Yeah, I'm gonna throw out my back. Hold on. It's like airtight. There we go. Jeez Louise. Holy moly! Holy moly! Look at all of this. My God, these things are huge. They don't look that big on the back of the box. These are the hab things, right? Like the little nomad habitat things, or maybe the bases. These are cool. Guaranteed a whole bunch of you are probably going to pick these sets up whenever they get sold separately. Throw them on your 40K tabletops. So 2 sprues of these, whatever these are, I have no idea. Oh, there's even internal details too. Ooh, look at that. So they're wide open. You can probably put dudes inside here. Oh, I likey that. Tarps, doors, pipes, guardrails, ladders. Ooh, man. I am in for this. This is fantastic. Oh, the walkways and such. Yeah, look at that. Ooh. A lot of things have 2 details on them. I even like the walkways. They even have like little pipes running along them. I think that's really cool. Another one, these bases and pipes. I assume these are the stands, right? Like the bases. I don't know. I'm just opening this up myself. Everybody's out there like, Chris, you don't know what that is? No, I don't. Another sprue of it, whatever this detail is, and another sprue of it, of the details. Barricades. This is the same set that you get with the regular Underhives box set, the starter sets. Man, this box is like mostly terrain. I'm not complaining. I am not complaining. Oh, that's even see-through. I didn't realize that was see-through. You can kind of see through it. Anyway. Then, of course, we get to the gangs. Oh, look at the bugs. The bugs. Oh, my gosh. Oh, my gosh. I'm sure there's plenty of pictures out there right now of these sprues. So anybody who wants like a really detailed look at them. Yeah. Oh man. Oh, I can't wait to get started on these. I'm in for these nomads. Orlocks. Looks like they got some posability to them. I like it. Opens them up for customization and also, you know, upgrade sprues from like Forge World and stuff like that. I'm sure we'll see in the future. I mean, there is some Orlock sprues, right? Already? I don't have them. I have Orlocks, but I've never really put them together. This is the quad, or one of the quads. So it looks like the quad is on one sprue, right? I'm going to assume, although they say you shouldn't assume, right? Yeah, so it looks like 2 quad sprues. Yeah, and then of course we got our nomads. Ooh, look at these guys. Any guesses on when we see some upgrade sprues for these guys? I'd imagine they're probably already developing them. Yeah, look at that. Pretty darn cool. I like these nomads. They're fun. And they're different. Classic orange templates. Any of you old timers, these are like, I'm sure they were probably sitting on a whole bunch of these back in their warehouse and they said, what can we do with these things? Let's make a new game and let's just throw it in there and all the old timers will just lose their minds. And they were right. Nice little bit of art. Ooh, look at that. Always getting you on the upsell, eh? That's pretty cool. Look at all this stuff for Necromunda. Like, Necromunda has a ton of stuff available for it, right? Man, there's my boys, the corpse grinders. Grinding of corpses. We have our play mat. Feels like it's, you know, like the vinyl mat or the paper mat. Yeah. So, I was kind of hoping it would be like a board section, but because I'm not crazy about the vinyl mats that they put out. But anyway. That's neither here nor there. Construction guide and introductory gang lists. Oh, it's even got like just kind of quick little rules. Oh, look at all of them. Man, this book, like, this is like a soft paper. You know how usually like a lot of the instruction booklets, they have a glossy finish to them. This is like old school paper feeling. Like this feels like an old school. But I mean, I guess because it's pretty thick, right? I mean, there's tons of stuff it's got to go over. We have our main rule book. Very, very cool. Nice and thick. Oh, it's got all our counters, templates. Very, very nice. It's a nice thick book. Very, very cool. I assume we have more under these little sections. Yep, we got, okay, let's pull this card divider out. Look at that. We have all our gang cards, stratagems and stuff like that, missions, territories. Yeah, man. Yeah, baby. 16 dice, I believe they said. Nice big chunky dice. I know you guys probably can't see that very well. I'm sure there's plenty of pictures out there. But yeah, look at that. I am excited. Lots of bases, looks like 25 mils. We got a couple of the little longer elongated ovals for obviously all the vehicles and such and the bugs. And we have the trusty rusty Necromunda range ruler. Man, like, holy cramoly. Love it. I love it. I even love this little range ruler. I think it's fantastic. But that is it. That is the unboxing of Necromunda Ash Wastes. Hopefully you guys enjoyed this one. Let me know down below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more of these videos. I know it's not terribly informative, but I know there's plenty of people out there who, you know, kind of want to know what they're in for, what you're getting in the box. Some of that gets kind of lost in translation sometimes, and yeah, so I don't know who's translating it, but you know what I mean. Big thank you to my patrons. Without their support, these videos would not be possible. If you're considering Patreon support, click the link in the description below, and you'll be helping me out a great deal. And a huge thank you to all my patrons for their continued support, and all of you brand new ones. Take care of your brushes. They'll take care of you, and I will see you guys in the next video. Might even have to do some battle reports with this. Ash Wastes. Wasting ash. Oh, that reminds me. I gotta give that guy a call.